What I have here today, January 21st, 2014, is a Howard pocket watch movement only. I believe this movement was a casualty of the high price of gold because I had to pull the what's left of the stem out of the watch. It was broken. Since they didn't know how to remove it, they just snapped it off when they took the movement out. Oh well. Let's see. Let me see. Oh, this is crooked. I have to get a better tripod or fix the old one. That's the front. And I don't know how to put the on the holder now. I gotta put it in such a way I don't mess up the hands. Yeah, that looks good. Is it still in focus? Let me back it off a little bit then. Anyway, yeah, okay, so this is the movement. Maybe we'll rotate it this way so you can read the text, I guess. What's that? E. Howard Watch Co. Serial number Boston, USA. 21 joules and patented in '08. And what's this stuff over here? There's stuff written over here. What does that say? 5 positions and temperature. What does that say? I can't even read that. How come I can't read that? Oh, special adjustment. I don't know. I'm going to take this apart because, I don't know, I tried to stick a 12 size watch. I started to use a stem from a good watch, and the thing just didn't go in right, so I got to see, maybe something got messed up when they tried to remove it. Anyway, this is one of these. This stem is like held in like a wristwatch stem. There's this little screw right here that you gotta rotate 1.5 turns, and then the stem and crown come out. And these people didn't know that, so that's what happens. So, I wonder if that's already screwed in. Yeah, whoops. Damn it. I knew that would happen. I didn't have it tight. Yeah, I screwed it in already, so. Anyway, that's the screw, 1.5 turns, and then you can pull the stem out. How am I going to let down this mainspring? And that's a good question. Let's do it this way. Let's do it not proper way. Wait, I forgot to turn on the auxiliary light. There you go. There's the click spring. Whoa! My light fell. You know, it sits there for freaking half hour, and then when I turn it on, it decides to fall over. Crazy stuff. Let's see. I'm gonna do it this way to let down the mainspring, so that I can't really get a stem in there. Like I said, I tried. This is not the best way to do it. Okay, there wasn't much on there. Good. I wouldn't do that fully wound because you probably snapped the head of the screw off. So the watch was running. That's a good staff. So let's get the show on the road. You know, I gotta position myself better. This tripod. I gotta back off. Let's see. I'm going to. Man, I can't see anything. I gotta switch eyes. Okay, so now I'm going to tighten this up a little bit. I'm going to loosen the hairspring stud. Screw, because I don't want to dangle my balance. Yeah, okay, it's loose. Switch eyes. Yeah, this is a Keystone Howard, as they call it, because I think the company crapped out in the early 1900s, and then these Keystone Watch Company bought the. Wait. No, what I want to do first is take the hands off. Do I want to take the hands off? No, I'm going to take the balance off, and then I take the hands off. Yeah, it's a Keystone Howard. Because they bought the name only. I got a container here too. I'll put this stuff in. Is this good? We're getting this. There's the screw. I don't know, I'll put this over here. I'm disappointed they don't have any pry points. Now I'm going to knock out the hairspring stud. Of course it doesn't want to come out because the tweezer is too freaking fat. Man, why is this sticking like that? I think because the hairspring in the guide pins is just tight. Yeah, that's the other side of it. And we take the balance off. Pivots still look good, so I didn't screw it up yet. Oops. Now I'm going to remove the hands. Yeah, because I want to see why I couldn't get a stem in to work in this thing. That's why I'm really taking it apart. Really, I really need to take the dial off. Alright, let's see if we can do this. Second hand's in the way. Let's see. Okay. So that was my trusty hand puller. If you're going to be taking apart watches, definitely get one of those. And chances are I can't get this dial protector underneath the second hand, so I'm not even going to try. Yeah, it's too close. I gotta use something else. I'm using the my hairspring remover. Yeah, if you don't look it up carefully. Okay, let's put some stuff back so it's out of my way. I hate it when stuff is in my way. This is not using this. Get it out of my way. This dial is held on with the... Wait, I don't want to lose this. I'm going to need this. This dial is held on by screws. some of these Howards, the dial-less snap-on. One of these days I'll take apart one of them. I don't take the screws out all the way because I don't want to lose them. Usually 3. But, you know, you go around the perimeter and you'll see. I think that's it. Let's see. Oh, I see the crack right here is right where the screw is. So maybe someone tried to pry it up without loosening the screws, and that was it. And, ooh, Switzerland. Look at that. Made in Switzerland. This is a double sunk dial because you can see the other piece they soldered it in. Very nice. I'm going to put that in the container for now. Ooh, look at that. Wait, let's put the 12 o'clock at the top. So there it is. Dial free. And they put a nifty pattern around here. That's nice. No, all this stuff up here looks good. Usually, yeah, when you pull up the stem, you're pulling up this lever. Oh, come on. Freaking phone. Oh, good, it only rang once. Let's see. Yeah, something's not right. Ah! I'm not going to screw with it. I'm going to take it apart. Hour wheel. I think that's the minute wheel. Wait, oh, that's held in? Good, it won't fall off. Cannon pinion. Let's see. I should get a cannon pinion puller, but one of these days. I wouldn't squeeze it too hard. That came off rather nicely. I'll put that here too. I think this is not going to fall out. Yeah, that's not going to fall out. I'm going to worry about that winding and setting stuff later. Flip it back over. Okay, let's continue. Is this the right size? Yeah, this is good. What's it focusing on? Maybe I gotta back off a little bit more. Probably focusing on my hand. Let's see. Yeah, it's got a. I thought these were 2 separate bridges, but it's one piece. One screw, another screw. Oh, this one has a pry point. Bridge. Oh, I even got the serial number on that. 112. Wow. What should I do? Wait, I forgot to take off that little one. That's too big. So now I'll take off for the pallet fork. And 2 screws. man, that's tight. Okay. I'm gonna put this. One screw. Second screw. The bridge. And the pallet fork. I'll leave it there for now for effect. I think I'm using this screwdriver. Yeah. And center bridge. Two screws. Where am I going to put this? One screw, two screw. And this one has just one pry. Wow, that's... Whew, that don't want to come off. Wow. How do I get the other side off? There's no pry points. Man, how do I get that off? I gotta slip something under here. Oh, that was tight. I don't want to scratch up the plates. Look how big that freaking jewel is. I'm leaving the wheels there for effect. Mainspring, center, third, fourth, escape, pallet fork. So, let's see, then we go to the take off this. I don't know what this part is called. It's attached to the mainspring barrel. Now where can I put this? I put this here. Wow. It's got a little thing in there because it's not a round hole, so. And now I can take the center wheel off. Ta-da! I'm going to take this last bridge off. Three screws. Oh, that's tight. Holy cow. Okay. That one's loose. And the third one. Oh, that one's tight. I'm going to put these screws. Put them with the dial. That screw sits low. Why is that low? I didn't unscrew it all the way. It's unscrewed all the way. Yeah, that screw is definitely shorter than the others. That is odd. Wow, no pry points for this plate. At least it's coming off easy, not like the other one. And the final bridge. Oh wait, let's go back for the effect. This is the effect. Oh wait, let's throw the balance in there too for the effect. Goes underneath. How come I don't? Oh, yeah. So that's the what the inners look like with all the plates removed. Mainspring barrel, center wheel. I go 1, 2, 3, 4 because these are 3 and 4. Escape wheel above arc balance, and that's what it looks like. Ta-da! I'm gonna put it all. Where am I putting this stuff? Put it all away before it gets damaged. I'm gonna put this there, I guess. Oh, and then the mainspring barrel. Well, this has got a... I think this is a... I don't know what this mainspring number is. This is a mainspring barrel. Where can I put this? I'm gonna put this here. Wow, look at that. You can see like a... what's that? A shadow? I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, you can see that. Where the plates used to be. It's darker in color. No, where the plates were is lighter, and where the plates weren't is darker. I don't know how that came about. I don't know. Winding and setting stuff. I'm going to take this out before it falls out. Let's see. Oh, banking pens. And this side. Now, what am I going to do about this side? Yeah, these jewels are pressed in. These jewel settings screwed in. Oh, because they're all caps. Yeah. Well, let me see something. Because when you pull on the stem, yeah, that's what happens. Wow, that doesn't really want to go. What am I, scratching it up? Probably. Damn it! Yeah, I'm stupid. Should have used a piece of brass. Oh well. That's basically it for now. Damn it. I don't know. So that's it, before I screw anything else up. That's your Howard. I don't know, we'll flip it on this side. Howard, I don't know what series number this is. I should have looked that up. Anyway, there it is, taken apart. And let's see why I don't want to function properly. Well, I think that's it. How much time? Oh, good. We'll have this end soon then. Yeah, Eat Howard, Keystone Howard, 21 Jewel, series something. I don't know. 12 size. Disassembled. And now I'm gonna clean it up a little bit and put it back together and see if I can get a stem for that. Anyway, thank you for your cooperation. Hope you enjoyed the show, and enjoy the rest of your day.